Hey, what's up, guys? I'm checking in on you guys to see how your progress is doing after the diet. If you're having any issues, why not leave a comment below. But I just wanted to drop a quick message today on anxiety. Just released a whole podcast about it, but it's your friend. If you have anxiety, it's there to tell you that you're not doing enough shit, or what you're doing is wrong. So it's really it's a good reminder to pick yourself up, reevaluate your plan, reevaluate what you're doing, and then execute. Whether it be your job, your workouts, your goals, it doesn't matter. If you have anxiety, just accept it and use it to your advantage. That it's there to teach you something. Something's not right, so you gotta fix it. So use that opportunity to get things done. So other than that, if we're dropping another video soon, in a few days, transitioning more into an everyday diet, the carnivore diet, so that way you can stay lean and shredded and never have to worry about getting fat again. So be on the lookout for that. So as usual, if you find value in these videos, hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you guys on another video.